In a single day, my vision took flight. From spark to creation, it all felt so right. When my mind finds a rhythm, it refuses to pause. Hyperfocus becomes magic without a cause. No shopping, no planning, just treasures at home. I built every scene where my wild thoughts roam. A bedroom once dreamt for an Airbnb stay became art in my hands in the most creative way. You gotta do it again.
All right, I got you. So shouts out to Arailyus and Arailyus Kingdom. But so if you ever do your YouTube intro, your content, whatever, it'll be like ARAILYUSK.
What? I love it.
That thing is fire.
Hey y'all, it's Arailyus. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hey, I'm Arailyus. I consider myself a socially awkward creative. I create content about all kind of stuff. I always ask that you watch this video and maybe a couple other videos while you edit. Check out my vibe. Because it can be a lot. But if you like my vibe, I would love to have you as a part of the family. And if you are coming back for another video, hey, thank you so much for coming back for another video. It means the world to me. It truly does. So you guys, I don't know, and you know what? I do know I'm not the only person this has ever happened to. When I tell y'all what y'all see me doing, the idea came to me like that. Like literally the thought came to me and my brain was like, oh my God, I gotta make it happen. Like now that I see it in my head, I gotta bring it to fruition, right? And so literally y'all see me taking random stuff that I had in my house. Cause I have random thoughts. I have creative thoughts all the time, and so I was like, in order for me to even make this happen, like I gotta have the stuff. Like I'm not gonna go spend no money. And y'all can see like literally, like, do you see? And my mind was like, bet, we're creative. We'll figure out a way to get it done without having to go buy anything. So I'm not going to explain anything because, y'all, this was just me here. Try that. That didn't work. Let's try something else. Y'all see my little foreman on duty, Miss Vixen. She got to come and make sure everything is correct, y'all. That's her little job. But when I tell y'all, like, the fact that this idea, like, I don't know, I love it. It was such a cool thing, that I was able to bring something that I saw in my head to fruition. But I guess what kind of has me kind of whoa is the fact that the idea came, and in my mind, I was like, you got to do it right now. And I did it. Well, I had to wait until I got off of work. And that was the crazy thing, because if you know, when you get these, I call them intrusive thoughts. They could be creative thoughts, but I call them intrusive thoughts. Sometimes they go from being like suggestive to more like, you gotta do it right now, right? So it was kind of crazy because I was like, look, I'll do it, but I gotta finish work, right? So that was just how excited I was to do the project, I guess, right? But I love it. The stuff that I have, it was supposed to have been for a bedroom that I was going to do with an Airbnb. But child, so much stuff has happened and changed. And so I had this stuff. I did not go buy anything. I had this stuff, but to use it in this type of way, I never would have thought to use it in this way, if that makes sense, right? But I just love it. The green, the gold, the animal print, the black. I just absolutely love it. I had no idea it was gonna turn out like this, but I love it. It's not perfect, but I love it. The cute little pink accents that I threw in there. It's like I brought all the colors together, and I just absolutely love it. Let me know down in the comments. Number one, let me know what you think about this creation I came up with. I love it. If you don't care for it, that's fine. I love it. But yeah, I would love to hear what your thoughts are. Again, I'm Arailyus, socially awkward creative. This was just so much fun for me. I hope you guys enjoy. I hope you like the creativity. I hope you comment, subscribe, share, and come back for another video. Bye, guys.